Without the light on, this is how dark it is in here. This is our gaming table. Pretty hard to play a game. But with our normal light on, my autistic daughter complains that the light is too bright for her. Now I have light to read by. These poor old eyes don't have to squint, and my daughter doesn't have light shining down on her. The great thing about this is that it shines upwards instead of shining straight down on your head. It's very minimalist so that it goes pretty much with everything. We've got these beams here. And while I do prefer a decorative light here, what I need and what I care more about is being able to see when I'm playing games with my family. So having light on our game table is the most important thing for me. And now my daughter lets me turn the light on. You can see that it's casting a big shadowy light because the light is going upwards. Now, the further back you get, oh, look at how bright it is. You can see that it's actually really bright in there. But because the way the light is made, it's casting this beautiful light within the room. And you can see that it is really filling this room. Look how much light that is throwing off. If I step back a little bit from the table, still plenty of light. Let me turn the light off so you can see. This is without it. Now again, it's not the most decorative. If you're looking for aesthetics, this probably isn't the way you want to go. But if you're looking to light an area, look at how dirty my things are underneath there. That's how dull the lights were before, is that I never even noticed that. I'm noticing all kinds of things now. Let me be quiet for just a second so you can listen. We're not sure exactly what the light is, what the sound from that light is. And hopefully that's something that's going to go away after we've had it longer. Not sure why it's making this sound or what it means. But if at any point the sound issue changes, I will do a follow-up video. Currently, it's just quiet enough that when we're in here laughing and having a good time, the sound isn't bothering anybody. You can see that if we were all just in here playing games, you probably couldn't hear that sound at all. But if you're in here trying to read and it's super quiet, you may be bothered by that sound. So if anything about that sound changes, I will report back. But currently, I haven't found an amount of time it needs to be on where the sound stops. Now, this just has an on and off switch. It doesn't have the kind that you can turn it or dim it or whatever. Let me show you how easy it is to install. My husband's an engineer, and this is what he had to say about it.
Okay, you can see here that I've got the old light pulled off, and I've got the new bracket put on, and the wires just go straight into some little snap lock holes. It's really handily built, no winding wires or anything like that. I'm going to screw this into the ceiling, into my wood beam here. You can see I've got some excess wire. I don't want to push it up into the ceiling, so I'm just going to use the screws to leave a gap, and we'll see how that looks. I think the diameter of the light is big enough to cover that up. And now you can see we've got the light on, and underneath the light, it's a nice, soft, non-intense light, but it also lights up the rest of the room well because all of the light is coming out of the top. It was a very easy installation. I've put 2 different lights in this spot, and this was by far the easiest.
Altogether, I think this is a vast improvement for our use. Now, depending on what you need it for and what you'd like to use it for is going to vary widely. But if you're looking to light up an area, a decently large size area, but particularly so that you can have good lighting, but not harsh lighting, you're going to love this.